Hey guys, that's some cool stuff. So a couple of questions that we get asked often are, where can I get my carry conceal certification from an organization that's going to teach me beyond the basics of just shooting a gun? The next is, where do I get the skills to protect myself and my family if I need to? Hi, how you doing? My name is Hank Hayes. I'm the CEO of ISP, Intuitive Self-Protection. Today we're talking about the 2-day protective pistol course near you. So what are we going to cover in these 2 days? First, we're going to cover the right mindset, super important. Then we're going to get into weapon manipulation, your master grip, how to properly load, how to properly deal with malfunctions. You're going to learn how to get on target fast and accurately. Then you're going to learn off-X drills, meaning not being a sitting duck. You're going to learn how to engage threats that aren't in your initial field of view and call shoot, no shoot. Critical. So much more in this course. One of the greatest things, though, that we have, very unique, is we pick a theme. So if it's car, home, or work, if it's car, you're shooting from a car. You're shooting from outside of a car. You may be moving to a car or from a car, transitional space work. Very big in the reality bridge process, brings it all together. What are you gonna leave with? You're gonna leave with the playbook of drills you need to practice at home and at the range. One of the biggest things you're gonna leave with is a consciousness shift and confidence that you're gonna know what to do. Now you gotta practice it, but you're gonna know what to do, and you're gonna have experienced it on the range in real time. We invite you to come down to this training and build the skills to protect you and your family. We look forward to seeing you. Enroll right now.